Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a walking tour through the Millennium Mall. This mall is located just outside May Pen. It's in Clarendon, but it's a massive mall and it's what we have called an epic failure because as you can see, the mall has no customers. At the end, we'll give you a tour of the parking lot where you can literally see the mall and just how empty it is. Now, a few stores are at the front. That's where we're walking now. But if you notice, there are no customers. Straight ahead to the left, that's the food court. And as you can see, it's empty. So a few stores are at the front. There are some more on the outside, but this mall just does not have the traffic. It doesn't have the customers. That's why it does so terrible. Now, one of the reasons for this, well, you need three things for a successful mall in Jamaica: build it in a populated area, have food stores, and have a brand name supermarket. Now, Select Grocers recently opened in the mall, probably a few weeks ago. So let's see if that has any impact on the traffic that comes to the mall. But as you can see, it's an epic failure. We're going to take a tour through the supermarket soon, but we're just showing you this is the actual mall. Now, it's a very nice facility, but it just was built in the wrong area. Doesn't have the food stores, and it had the supermarket opened probably years after the mall opened. Okay, so this is the parking lot now. This is the outside of the mall. It's a very nice mall, well designed, but it just didn't follow the formula. I don't know if they thought it was so big that it would just automatically work, but it didn't. Okay, this view will show you the size of the mall and just how empty it is. It has a massive parking lot. The parking goes all the way around the mall. Now, that's a Popeye's location on the right, and it does well, but it's not enough to draw traffic to inside the mall because that Popeye's is on the outside. So this is the parking lot of the mall now, and this is okay. Straight ahead, that building that you're seeing, that's supposed to be a Sagicor bank. Sagicor built this plaza, and that's supposed to be their location for a Sagicor bank, and they just haven't opened the bank yet. So you can see how empty it is. Now, you can drive right around the plaza. Okay, so this is, well, the mall goes right around, but this section is actually empty. There are no stores back here. I mean, the stores are not occupied. Alright, we're going to go back inside the mall and continue the tour in the mall. I just wanted to show you guys just how big this plaza is and just how empty it is, meaning there is no traffic, no customers basically. Alright guys, so we're going to walk into the mall now. So there are shops on the outside, and I would assume that these are the premium locations for shops because they're on the outside as you walk in. So on the right is Devon House Ice Cream, on the left is Payless, and straight ahead it would be the food court. So this is Payless now on the left. As you can see, the store is open, up and running. This is Devon House Ice Cream, also open, up and running, but you notice no customers. Now, if you go into the town of May Pen, oh my God, you don't even have space to park the way it's so busy with people. And as you can see, there are stores occupied at this section, which is closer to the entrance and closer to the other entrance where you have the supermarket. But if we were to turn right, here you go, this is the food court. This is supposed to be one of the busiest places in the mall. And look at it, empty. And you see the size, this is a massive plaza. Now down here, all the stores are empty. Nobody occupied them. Nobody leased them or rented them. It's just empty. This mall has been open for a couple of years now. We've done a few driving tours on the outside. this is the first walking tour we've done on the inside. And then this section now, they've taped off because all the stores at the other end, when you pass that tape, none are occupied. Here you can see more empty stores. Now, many persons have left comments to say that a housing scheme is going up next door or close to the mall, but I don't know if that will make a difference, because the surrounding areas, I mean, you have to pass this mall to get on, or when you're exiting from the highway to get to May Pen. So if you're going from May Pen to Highway 2000, you pass this mall. It's also, you can access the mall off the Bustamante Highway. And so whether you're taking the highway or you're taking the main road, you can see the mall. But one of the major drawbacks or mistakes that was made is that it took too long to open a supermarket. Way too long. You need a large brand name supermarket. Alright, we're going to take a look at Select Grocers now. They recently opened. So there you can see the Popeyes. That's the main entrance to the mall right there. Okay, so we're going into Select Grocers now. As you can see, Select Grocers, they operate, they have another supermarket in Manor Park in Kingston, and they're part of the Progressive Group. Alright guys, this is another view of the parking lot, so you can see just how empty it is. We will keep you guys updated as to what's going on, and hopefully the supermarket will make a difference with the mall, with the traffic that comes to the mall. Actually, on the right of that fence, that's the Bustamante Highway, one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. But if this mall was built in the town of May Pen, it probably would be a lot different. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us.